is Ahis. I am a TV presenter and I work for MTV. And I'm an all-around hustler with the baddest hair in the game. Okay. First and foremost, you gotta wear what makes you comfortable. Yes, first and foremost, you gotta wear what makes you comfortable. Anything that makes you comfortable. I mean. Secondly, for me, it'd be a nice pair of Converses. And I mean, nice pair of Converses. And I like to play safe. That's why I wear a little black. I mean, so a pair of Converses that will make you look nice. But thirdly, black and white can never go wrong. Never go wrong. If you're confused, you don't know what to wear black and white. You can even buy a plain BYC t-shirt. It's like 600 now, 700 now. Rocking with some black jeans, baby, you're good to go. Spectacular. So creativity tips, always wake up, baby. Wake up. Wake up, put your mind to it. Whatever you put your mind to it, you make it at the end of the day. The second one will be don't quit. Never quit. Because quitters lack, never ever quit. You might get beat down a couple of times, but never ever quit. My favorite app will probably have to be Snapchat, because Snapchat is king, baby. If you follow me on Snapchat as DadaBoySlim, @DadaBoySlim, you would know that my Snapchat is king. I rule my Snapchat game, baby. Ask them, they'll tell you. Alright, that's what it is. Peace.